Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a pre-filmed plan with me for the week of Christmas, the 24th through the 30th of December, and I'm in my Recollections planner. We're almost done with the year, and I'm using a kit from BrandysShop. She is super affordable. She's also DaniFaithDesigns, so one is on Etsy and one is her own website. Her prices are cheaper on her own website. I can't remember which shop I bought this from. I actually think it was DaniFaithDesigns. But this kit, like the artwork came out last year with a bunch of different shops, and I never picked up a kit because I had so many Christmas kits last year. And then I think in like July or something, she had a Christmas in July sale, or I don't know, but I ended up picking this kit up. And I knew it would be perfect for the week of Christmas because my other planner, like my Erin Condren, will have a very traditional spread. I'll link that up here. But this one will be super fun and pastel. So these are the beautiful full boxes, and this is on her matte paper. If you have darker colors, I would definitely recommend her glossy, but for lighter colors, I think her print on her matte paper is beautiful. This is half boxes, quarter boxes, etc. Headers and littles, and you can see the gorgeous color scheme. This is like a grayish white color. It's like a very light gray. And then you have this functional page, and then I did get, I think the full kit, so I did get the check boxes, which I'm going to use because it will bring more color, bottom washi, and then your washi strips. So it's gonna be pretty, you guys. Super, super pretty. I almost wish I was using this in my Erin Condren because I would be bringing in tons of foil, and I think that would be pretty also, but it's okay. I still love it. I'm not bringing in foil because this is a budget plan with me, and foil stickers are quite expensive, so we're not going to do that. Maybe off camera on my own after the fact, I'll put some foil on, but not now. I apologize if you can hear my dishwasher. It's definitely running, and I'm definitely sorry. Okay. I'm going to be using these as more of like, what did we do that day? Because I will be at my parents' house for most of this week. And yeah, it's going to be more like memories of what happened. So I'm trying to think about headers. So I'll probably want to use the to-do headers the today headers with this, even though this lavender color is really pretty. I don't really want like a to-do header, and that means I will probably space things out a little bit differently than normal, which might be weird just because I'm not going to use all of the headers. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to work. I didn't really think about it, but I guess I could use the to-do because it would be like what we do. I guess that would still work. I don't know. Maybe I'll put full boxes down first. Okay, so this is the Christmas tree, like the top of the Christmas tree, and I want to put that on Christmas Day because it's beautiful, obviously. So this is where I'm like, should I just not use a header with, maybe I just won't use a header with the full boxes, and I'll cover up a header. We're gonna be adventurous, you guys. That's all I'm gonna say. I think that box is crooked, but I'm afraid to lift it. And I don't feel like my undo is going to get pulled out. So, okay, so we kind of have like the greenish boxes and then the more white boxes. So I think I'm just going to kind of alternate them. And we're going to do, I don't know. You guys, I'm taking a really big gamble doing this. I don't know what this is going to be like. Okay, so I have all of my little things. I finished my sidebar. I just brought in one of the to-do headers, so I'll just have one general to-do, and then all of the rest of it can be like a little jot down of different memories. And then I do have some things that I need to mark day by day. So the first thing is that Christmas Eve is on Monday, so I want to take something pretty to mark that. And then Christmas Day, of course, is on Tuesday. So I'll take a box here. I'm going to my brother's house on this day with my parents to see my niece and stuff. So I think I'll mark that down as well. I think I'll just take a plain one and put it here. I think I'm going to run... I know I wasn't going to use foil, but I think I'm going to run a Simply Gilded washi right through here and then just stop when I get to the weekend banner because I feel like that would be really cute. I don't know. We'll see. This is working out so far, the spacing. I wasn't quite sure what I was doing at first, but I think it's going okay so far. So going to my brother's, is there a car? There should be a car. And we'll put that there. And then I have my holidays. These are from Rose Colored Days, and these are non-foiled, and I think these are from a Glitch grab bag thing, so if they don't peel the best, that's why. Okay, so this is Christmas Eve. The one thing I wish the BrandysShop kits would come with is deco, but it costs more to like buy the clip art for the deco instead of just the papers, and then I'm sure it takes forever to print because it's usually small and tedious, and you have to like reset it for every, you know, kit that you make and stuff. So there's that. But there are shops that sell deco that match, you know, pretty much all of the kits that she makes. So if you want deco for a particular kit, I would just check out other shops, like search it and find something that matches. Okay, so this day I'll be at my brother's. So this day we're coming back from my brother's house. So I will put a little quarter box here, just a couple days with them, but it's always nice. And then I think there's a home. Yeah, it's just really faint. There's a little home icon, so I'll write coming home from my brother's, but I'm sure we won't leave until later because, they're fairly close by, so I'm sure I'll have lots of memories of things that my niece and I do during the day. And then on the 27th, it's my dad's birthday, so I want to take something for that. And then this is like a little gift right here. The little coffee cup in this planner is adorable. I'll take like a half box, and maybe I'll just take the pink one. Just bring some more pink up here and put the little present on it. It's funny because it's like Christmas and you get presents, and then there's another one for birthday. The 28th I have a bill due, and I just saw, there it is. Like I just saw the bill due. I think I'll put it down here. And that is my Sprint and Amazon Prime. And then I think this is going to be my payday. I'm a little confused if the 31st, because that's a Monday, like, is that considered a holiday? Because otherwise I'd get paid the 31st. But I don't know. I think New Year's Day is a holiday. I don't know. I'm going to mark it this day because I'm pretty sure we'll get it this day. Let's see. There's like a really cute payday sticker, but I think I want to layer it on something. I don't want to just slap it on there. Maybe I'll put it over some purple washi, since that will bring out the purple from above. I don't know. If I'm wrong and I don't get paid this day, then whatever, but I'm pretty sure it'll be this day. We got a new pay system at work too, and I I don't know how it works because I didn't get an email about my paycheck this last month, so I have to figure that out. I'm actually going to write myself that note now because I keep forgetting. Also on this day, we are leaving town to go to the Milwaukee area, which is where I grew up. I didn't grow up in Milwaukee, but in Wisconsin, by the way. If you're not from the States, then whatever. But we're going to go visit family. So yeah, there's that. I think I'm just going to take the little heart here. Because I already used the car for going to my brother's. So that's just what it's gonna be. Okay, so going to my down to the Milwaukee area. It's about a 5.5 hour drive from my parents' house. Payday, bill, you know, all the things. Saturday, Sunday, I don't know. I'm sure I'll be with friends and family, but I don't know who I'm seeing what day or whatever. So I'm going to leave pretty much everything else blank so that I have lots of room to write things in when they come about, which is very exciting. So let me open up, and I don't know which washi I would even use. Okay, so that was totally unnecessary, but it's super cute. I absolutely love it. So yeah, there is my spread for Christmas week. I love the pastels. I think it's super, super pretty. And again, this kit is like, I don't know, $6 or something. So I will link her shop, her Etsy, and her regular website down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas time if that's your thing. If it's not your thing, I just hope you have a great week. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.